Thanks for tuning in to watch me unbox my mirror. This mirror was part of my messy sewing room series. It was hanging in the hallway outside the door of the sewing room. That's why you didn't get to see it. But I started moving some things around, slowly cleaning up my room so you can see the reveal at a later date. So I got this box. This is a mirror slash jewelry box, and I got this from HSN a few years ago. I purchased it for one of my other rooms, but I think every room, every sewing room deserves a mirror. So keep watching. Okay, these are the hooks and screws that go on back of the mirror. They give you two options. One to hang it on the wall, or you can hang it on the back of the door if you want to. They packed it really good. For me not open this for a couple of years, it's really packed nicely. Okay, I'm turning it over. It's a little crack in it right there. It's not made perfect, but I've had it so long that I'm gonna just keep it. And it comes with two holes in it. That's where I can start drilling the holes in. Got the screws. This is what they look like out of the packet. Just little
hangers.
Kind of like a hanger, like, okay, you're right.
Sit.
My nephew. Okay, here's another one. Okay. Now, I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. This is what it looks like opened. Okay. Get out of that box.
Why you didn't help me? No.
Okay, you see these two knobs? This is how it's going to be assembled, because I'm going to put it across the door. So it'll probably be like this.
Can I
Stay
record?
tuned.
Can I record? Oh, please, can I?
Like that. Oh, I ain't got no more battery.
I record?
Battery is gone. Okay. You just hold it on what I'm doing. You could go in a little bit. This is how you go in.
Right here?
Yeah, push it on sideways. But you gotta hold it steady. Don't be. Okay. Will you go in a little bit on it?
Yep.
Okay. Sorry that our camera cut off on us as we were filming this project, but we took some finished pictures. Here is this hanging on my door, and this is the hanger part, as my nephew says, and this is the front part, how it's hanging, and this is the inside of the mirror. And as you can see, it's very nice.